In this quick guide, you'll learn how to enable the timeline in Google Maps. If you've ever wanted to keep track of your travels or simply revisit places you've been, the Google Maps timeline feature is a fantastic tool to help you do just that. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to maps.google.com. This is the web version of Google Maps, and it provides a great platform to manage and view your timeline. Once you're there, look towards the top left corner of the screen. You'll notice three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu. Go ahead and click on these lines to open up the main menu. In this menu, you'll find various options, but the one we're interested in today is labeled as your timeline. Click on it. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can view your travel history. But before you can see anything, you need to ensure that the timeline feature is enabled. Next, look for the activity controls option on this page. By clicking on it, you'll be directed to a section where you can manage various settings related to your Google account's activity. Here, you'll need to scroll down the page until you find the timeline section. It might take a moment to locate, but once you do, you're almost there. Once you find the timeline option, you'll see a button labeled Turn On. Clicking this button will activate your timeline feature, allowing Google Maps to start recording your visited locations. This is a helpful feature for those who travel often or want to reflect on past journeys. Remember, enabling this feature means that your location history will be recorded, so ensure you're comfortable with this level of tracking. Finally, to view and edit your timeline, you can also use the Google Maps app on your mobile device. It's a convenient way to check your timeline on the go. You can review your past trips, see photos taken at different locations, and even delete entries if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled the timeline feature in Google Maps. This can be a powerful tool for keeping track of where you've been and planning where you'd like to go next. Keep in mind the importance of privacy and make sure to review your settings regularly to ensure they align with your preferences. Thanks for watching and happy exploring with Google Maps.